forces, a damaged enemy vessel has made station call and rebel boarders are abandoning their ship. They are wounded and confused, but they are inside the Death Star. They will attempt both sabotage and escape. Intercept their forces at the tractor beams generator and control station. Do not allow those areas to be taken.
Get clear!
Rebels made it to the generator!
Those who died today die heroes!
Losing contact with tractor control!
Tractor control systems restored!
The rebels will break under our foot.
Tractor control under attack, going down!
Grenade out!
Losing tractor control!
Rebels are shutting down tractor control!
Counting down! You're not down, half-light!
The Emperor is now personally overseeing the battle.
Sabotage at the tractor generator!
Get clear! Deploying turret.
Generator started, power down!
Eliminate the rebels. Resecure the area.
We will bring security to the galaxy. Grenade out!
Enemy commander landing! Be prepared!
We will claim triumph!
They're at the tractor generator! Power level falling!
They've run out of time. Sector secure and all escape routes cut off.